You're welcome, children. Hello, pretty angels and handsome angels. How are you today? Welcome back to our online classes. Do enjoy the class, okay? Enjoy the lessons. Listen very well. Listen attentively. If you have any question, please deem it fit to ask on my inbox as you watch it from your YouTube. Okay? Beautiful. Send your questions right away from the YouTube inbox, okay? Don't hold your questions. And if you cannot, write down your questions in your math books you took home. Alright, children? Beautiful. Now let's go. Our topic today is what? Multiplication. Everybody, let's say it together. Multiplication. Good. Now, what is multiplication? What do we understand by multiplication? Multiplication is one of the 4 basic arithmetic operations. Yes, alongside with addition, which is the plus, subtraction, which is the minus, and division, which is the divide sign here, which is divide. And the 4th one is what? Multiplication. Yes, multiplication. In math, multiply means the repeated addition of groups of equal sizes. Is the repeated addition of groups of equal sizes. And I'm going to show you in our next slide what this actually means, okay? Now follow me gently. When we multiply 2 numbers, are you listening? When we multiply 2 numbers, the answer is called products. When 2 numbers are multiplied, the answer is called what? Products. Can you say it, children? Products. Again? Products. Yes. When you multiply 2 numbers, it is called product. The number of objects in group is called multiplicand. Now, just listen to this. The next slide has an example, okay? Now, the number of objects in a group is called multiplicand. And the number of such equal group is called the multiplier. Now, let's go. Let's see. Look, how many ice cream do I have in each of those group? 3. We have the first group, which is 1, 2, 3. The second one, 1, 2, 3. And how many groups do we have? 2 groups that has 3 ice creams. Hello, children. Are you following me? Beautiful. We have 3 ice cream. The left hand side has 3. The right hand side has 3. Now, we have 2 groups. 2 groups. Now, the number of objects in each of the group is called multiplicand. That is what we are multiplying. The number of objects in each of the group is what we are doing what? Now, the groups is the multiplier. The number of group is what? The multiplier. And we have just 2 groups here. Now you are multiplying 3 by 2. And remember earlier I said is a repeated addition of number. Multiplication is the repeated addition of number. Is the what? Repeated addition of number of groups of equal sizes. Now let's go. Now looking at this, each group has ice creams, right? Group 1, which is the left hand side, has how many ice creams? 3 rather. And the other group on the right hand side has how many? 3, right? And there are how many groups? 2 groups. Now, let's calculate. Using addition method, you do what? Multiply each of the groups. Yes, the total number here we have 3 and 3. So we have to do what? Add them up together. 3 into 2 places. 3 into 2 places, which is 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3. So 3 plus 3 gives you 6. So you can actually count it yourself to be sure if Miss Caris is correct, okay? However, if you have added 2 groups of 3 ice creams, therefore you have multiplied 3 ice creams by 2. Just like I said, 3 into 2 places. Now you can make it like this. 3, you have 2 groups, right? You now write 2 times the 3 ice creams. It's very simple. 3 into 2 places, or you can do 2, 2, 2. 2 plus 2 plus 2. But that is not what we have here. What we have here is 3 plus 3, which is the 2, equals what? 6. Do you get that now? Good. Now, even if you have number of 4, you have 4 and 4, you have 4 ice cream, you have another 4 ice creams. Now, it's in 2 groups. You can do 2 times 4, or you do 4 plus 4. Do you understand? Do you understand, Uchechukwu? Beautiful. Now, let's continue. Now, I have something for you, and this is what you're going to write in your book. 2 times 1. That means you have just a group. So you're going to draw it to be able to do these calculations, okay? You have a group, just one group, and you have 2 ice creams inside. So when you do 2, then that group is how many? 1. So what can you see there? How many ice creams can you still see there? It's just 2, right? You write your answer. Very simple. You have 1 group and you have 1 ice cream inside it. So what's your answer? Good. Okay. You have 3 ice creams inside 2 groups. You have 2 groups. You draw the groups. Maybe your 3 ice cream, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. How many groups can you see? 2. You count the ice creams inside the 2 groups. Okay? Beautiful. Now, you have what? 2 times 2 here. You have 2 groups and 2 ice cream inside it. You count it together and you write your answer. Now, the last one, number 5, has what? 1 group. And how many ice cream is in there? 4. And what can you see? Just 1 group. You count everything in that 1 group. You write your answers. This should be done in your mathematics notebook, okay? And if you have a question, don't forget to write it down on the inbox on the YouTube page. I will give you a response immediately, okay? Good. I love you all. And remember, you are the best. You're always the best. Okay? Beautiful. And stay focused. I love you all. See you on Tuesday. Bye-bye.